This video is brought to you by Nate Productions. So, you're curious to know how to make your own solar system in Unity? I got you covered. So, by the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make the functionality behind the scene that you're seeing here. So, you'll have different planets rotating around in different directions and in different speeds, as you see here, and have a line behind it, as you can see here. And just to visualize it as it a bit better, so each planet here is moving in different speeds and in different directions around a centerpiece or the sun, as you have here. And the only thing that you're going to be needing here is going to be the planet rotation script that I have here. And essentially what this script is doing is rotating the planets, so each individual planet has the script attached to it, and it's rotating each one around the center based on the speed and the axis that is generated in the start function here. So we have three variables. One is the actual transform of the sun or the centerpiece that the planet is going to be rotating around. Then we have the speed and the axis. So the speed is going to be how fast the planet is going to be moving and rotating around the sun, and the axis is going to be towards what direction should the planet be moving towards. Okay, so the speed is a float, then the axis is a vector 3, so to represent the directions. Both of these are generated in the start function, both using the random.range. Essentially, for the axis, we're creating a new vector 3 with the x being 0 and the y and z generating values between 0 and 1. And also for the speed, we're generating for a random float from 5 to 100. So you can change these as you like. I put this to have some slow values, some fast ones as well. But you need to keep the uh, values for the y and z here around 0 and 1 as they are directional. And the last thing that you need is going to be on your update function. You're going to be using the rotate around, which is going to be using from the transform class, and rotate around the sun position using the axis, and then the speed multiplied by the time dot delta time. So all this thing is going to be doing is rotating your game object around an axis using this speed, and that is all this script is doing. Just to visualizing this thing again, uh, going to run this, and you'll see that they are rotating around in different speeds, different directions, and just so we can better see the changes. So we have one planet select here, going to be using the speed of 12, direction of 0 0.4 and 0 0.4, around 0 0.4, and this one is going to have 21 speed, 0 0.7 almost, and almost 1 on the Z. You can see that they have different values here. And for the lines that you see, we are using a train renderer, and you can specify the width and the color. Of course, I'm using the materials from the shader, but you can use whatever material you want. So let's just add one. They have some default ones, I think, which you can use, and that's it. You're done. And that is all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. If you have any ideas for a video that you'd like to see, make sure to drop that in the comment section. Anyway, goodbye. Want to become a professional game developer? I designed the ultimate game development course that will teach you everything you need to make your own top quality games with over 20 hours of content and 100 lectures at your disposal. Make sure to check the link in the description for more information.